Okay, I think this is the last one for tonight. That I'm going to do. It's called Birds Fly. I was once again at Lake Bradley Christian Camp, and I was sitting at the kitchen table, and the Lord blessed me with this song, so I hope you like it, and I hope you're blessed by it. This is in 2007, too, just in case you're wondering. Same journal. Okay, thank you so much for listening to the Bedtime Worship series. This was Birds Fly, and I am Amber Dean Dixon, and I hope you have a wonderful day, whatever you choose to be doing, and I pray that God will keep you safe and in His will, and if you don't know Him yet, that you will, and I will see you in heaven. And yeah, alright, have a great day. Or good night, if it's your bedtime too.